Hey, welcome back. This is Dr. Matt with SouthShore Orthodontics for another Ace Your Brace video. Today we'll be discussing new technologies in orthodontics and how we've implemented those in our practice. So new technology in orthodontics has been really exciting. It's been a fun time to practice. There's all sorts of new technology involving imaging equipment. So we've utilized and brought on board a 3D imaging X-ray, which gives us the best diagnosis possible. It allows us to see things that were previously only seen in 2 dimensions, now in 3 dimensions, which is better to communicate with patients and parents of what's going on in treatment. We also use a 3D digital scanner instead of traditional impressions, which is a lot better experience for the patient and also more accurate result. And then also we use a 3D printer, which enables us to use that 3D digital scan to then print patients' models for fabricating all types of appliances and also making our own in-house aligners. It's been really fun and exciting, and in the end is better for the patient.